Hello, and welcome to a short tutorial on the DIY Management Dashboard. This gives you an overview of the abstraction cost per account, project, property, or tenant. So in the filter panel, we can scope the data to those specific entities, select one or many abstraction statuses, or filter the data by a date range. In the graph, you see your average cost per lease over time. You can drill up to increase the timescale and vice versa. Looking at this example, I can see dark blue is spiking in December. Let's select this specific point in the graph and look at the table to understand what's going on. I can see the current status of these abstracts, the time spent in the first and second review, a link directly to the timer report, the total number of fixed cycles, review comments, and feedback, and lastly, our cost. As always, you can full screen the table and export the data using the method of your choice. This dashboard provides a visual representation of your abstraction cost and helps make useful comparisons between accounts, projects, or properties.